Hello PHP developers, want to supercharge your Visual Studio Code setup? Today I'll show you the top extensions to boost your PHP workflow. Let's dive in. First up, we have PHP IntelliFence. This is a must-have for intelligent code completion, real-time error checking, and navigation like go-to definition. It's fast and supports frameworks like Laravel and WordPress. Install it and disable VS Code's built-in PHP suggestions for the best experience. Next, PHP Bug. Perfect for troubleshooting, it integrates with Xdebug to let you set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code. Pair it with Xdebug on your system and debugging PHP becomes a breeze. Keep your code clean with PHP CS Fixer. It auto-formats your PHP to follow standards like PSR2 or PSR12. Configure it to run on save and your code will always look professional and consistent. For Laravel devs, Laravel Artisan is a game changer. Run artisan commands directly from VS Code. No terminal needed. Create controllers, run migrations, or check routes with a few clicks. That's it guys. With PHP IntelliFence, PHP Debug, and PHP CS Fixer and Laravel Artisan, your PHP development in VS Code will be faster and smoother. Grab these codes from the VS Code Marketplace and let me know your favorite extensions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy coding.